I want to share with you what I wish I knew before I got these inner tubes for my wheelbarrow. First thing, this is a 2-pack. The first thing you want to do is you want to check to make sure that you have the correct size that you are looking for. I needed this 4.0 by 6. All right, now let me show you how to take this wheel off and put the new inner tube in. All right, on my particular wheelbarrow right here on the top, it has these flathead screws right here. And underneath, it's going to have these nuts on the bottom. All right, after you remove the wheel, going to go ahead, take the tire off, take the inner tube out, and let me show you how to put the new one in. So to get the tire off here, you can either use a tire removal tool like this, or just a screwdriver will suffice. Now that I got the tire off of the rim, just going to pull this inner tube out. And put the new one in. So this is actually very durable, very strong feeling. So I do like the fact that it feels like it's going to last for a long time. I'm pushing the new one down in there. I'm going to try this with a hand pump first, just to get it slightly inflated before putting it all back together. Now that I got the new inner tube in, let's go put the tire back on the wheelbarrow. The new inner tube is in. Nice and solid once again. And once again, I can now use my wheelbarrow.